This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID, password, and that you can receive the 2FA code. This prevents lockouts when removing iCloud. Once done, back up, either to iCloud or via Finder/iTunes, so you can restore later. Now go to Settings, tap your name, and open Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone is visible so you can disable it. Disabling is necessary before a full reset. This first set of steps prevents data loss and avoids activation issues afterward. You now disable Find My iPhone by entering your Apple ID and the 2FA code. That action removes activation lock risk. Next, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Erase All Content and Settings. When prompted, confirm you want to erase and remove the device from your Apple ID. This step wipes iCloud stored settings and local data. Make sure you authenticate when asked, so the device fully detaches from your account and becomes ready for a clean setup. After the erase finishes, the iPhone restarts to the setup screen. You can set up as new or restore from the backup you created. If activation lock still appears, sign into iCloud. Go to Find iPhone, select the device, and choose Remove from Account. That clears the lock remotely. If you can't remove it, contact Apple support with the device serial and proof of purchase. This is the reliable path to resolve persistent iCloud locks and complete the reset process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.